What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video I want to talk with you about the power of centralized exchanges and what influence they're going to give to the users, because there's a lot of people who are going to be coming into the space, and are they to trust, and who is going to be the leader in this space? Well, as someone who's been in this realm of cryptocurrencies for almost 2+ years, there's an inevitable fact, and that is that whoever is the centralized exchange that's leading the world is the one that's going to be the most responsible to be accountable if something happens to the industry. Now, in this case, FTX, as you're seeing right now, collapsed, right? By now, you're mostly know all the evidence, and that they went bankrupt and they even got hacked, and most of the US funds that you had on the platform, if you couldn't withdraw early, they're now gone, according to official sources. And yours truly had a couple of dollars, and well, those seem to be gone too. And I tried to withdraw 4 days ago, it was still pending. So they purposely did not process the transaction on time. Sad but true. Now, when we heard the news that I'm showing you right now on the screen, on November 8th, that FTX called Binance for help, everyone stopped and said, wait, what's happening? They actually are in trouble. But Binance said, we want to help you. We want to help you, and there's go ahead and do this for you. What occurred is that the price went to $12. I was doing a live where we're seeing it, and right after this, in a couple of hours, the price went to $18 for FTX. If you come to trading view, this is the weak view. So it's just been a red candlestick for FTX, just been disaster. But if I go to the 1 day, you're gonna see still the red candlestick, because this is the 8. But here it did went up, but I need to go now to the 4 hours maybe. Here, this was the candlestick that pump and dump, because otherwise it's just the same. So this is November 8th. This candlestick was the huge one for 4 hours from 10. This is 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., everything happened for Binance and FTX. But FTX was the one that pumped and dumped many different times, because later on, Binance said, we cannot. Sad, but we tried. And if I go to the CC Twitter account, you're going to see this. The following day, sad day, tried. There it is. So if Binance could not save FTX, that says something. It says that there probably needs to be a bigger body for crypto exchanges to save the industry, to save these companies, because at the end of the day, who are the ones who are paying the price? Us, the users. We're the ones losing our money, not them, because they're protected by, when they use bankruptcy laws, they're gonna lose all their money, but at least they're gonna have a chance to recover a few of things. But whoever loses everything is the users, and that's super sad, because it is what it is. So just giving you an idea that if Binance couldn't help, in this case FTX, not even with a non-binding agreement, well, obviously, if Binance ever goes into this situation, who is going to help Binance at that point? Probably nobody. So by then, if Binance goes through a similar experience, which I hope not, thus far they haven't shown any evidence of that behavior, I do hope that by then there's a body that there's regulating this type of transactions and movements in the industry, so users are more protected and we can share, buy, and sell with trust and confidence. Thank you for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. FTX is gone. Who is going to take its place? Seems Crypto.com is doing very well. Peace.